Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica and today I'm going to be showing you what I keep in my purse as far as like my essentials and my emergency items. These are things that I keep in my bag for the what ifs and these things that can come up and happen, and I never have regretted keeping these things in my bag because there has always been a time that something has come up that I've used every single one of these things. So to some of you it might seem like a lot, but to me it's essential. I just have to carry it in there for my peace of mind. So I'm going to share with you what those things are. This is not going to be like an entire what's in my bag. I have a couple of those on my channel if you're interested, but today I'm just going to be showing you the things that I keep in there that are like a little bit uncommon, I guess you could say, and I'm going to kind of share with you why I keep them in there and what I use them for. So if you want to see those things, then just keep on watching. So before I get started showing you guys what I keep in it, I'm going to show you the bag that I'm using right now. This is a Teddy Blake bag, and they did send this to me when they asked me if I would like one. I was so excited because if you watch my channel, you know that I am a bag or a purse girl. I love bags. I love purses. I collect them. So I was super excited because Teddy Blake is more of a designer bag. I love these. Are their new release styles. They have a bunch of new styles that they have come out with, and this was one of them, and it is like the bucket bag, and what I absolutely love about it is that it has this thick shoulder strap here, so it's really comfortable to carry on your arm. I can't stand when the straps are really thin. They hurt me really bad, so I was really thrilled to see that they did add this to the shoulder strap, and it is adjustable. And then anyways, I got this gray color. They had a bunch of different colors, but I'm going to show you what really sold me on this one is when you open it up, the inside is this really pretty like blush pink color, and I just think that it is gorgeous. And it also comes with this little clutch, and I think you can maybe attach that to this. I think it was attached to that, yeah, if you wanted, but I just keep it on the inside, but it's just a little clutch if you wanted to like grab it and run in the store or something, and it matches on the inside as well. I don't have anything in it right now, but if you guys are interested in Teddy Blake bags, I will have a link for you in the description box, and they also gave me a coupon code for you guys to get $20 off of a bag of your choice, and I will link to this specific one in the description box as well. So this bag is the Eliza Vitello, the 12-inch, and I believe they have it's either 8 or 9-inch, but it's smaller, whatever it is. This is the 12-inch, and I like this size because I'm a mom and I carry a lot of stuff in my purse, which you're about to see, but they do have smaller, and they have a bunch of other designs as well, some of their more classic as well as their new releases. So again, I will have it linked for you guys in the description box. Okay, so the first thing I always keep in my bag is wipes, and these are just baby wipes, and I got this case at Walmart. I think it's by Huggies. Yeah, it's by Huggies, and you just take a pack of wipes and you can open up here and slip them in, and then you can just access them through here. This has been very loved. I actually probably need to replace it because the bottom is coming out on it, but I love this thing. It has a little wrist strap if you want to just grab it and go to the bathroom or whatever with it, but I use this all the time having kids, and I've even found I use this having a husband and for myself. I mean, there is always times when you're out for the day that you could need a wipe, and I have to have a thing of wipes in my car. I have one in my car, I have one in my purse, and I like this little bag to keep them in because it keeps it like slim and it looks cute, so it's not just like a bag of wipes in there, but I will try and find a cute one for you guys and link it in the description box if you want to get one. Okay, so every woman probably carries these in her purse, and if she doesn't, she should, but that is your feminine products, and I got one of these little packs. This is by Moody's, the brand, and I got this so long ago. It came in a pack of pads, I think. It was just like their promotion where if you bought their pads, you got this little pack, and I just keep, you know, my essentials in there, and I have searched high and low to find more of these so I could share with you guys, and I haven't been able to find any. I bet you Etsy has some, so I'm going to look a little harder and try to link some for you guys below. I actually am interested in possibly getting a new one as well, just because I've had this one for so long, but I highly recommend getting you something, and you could be creative and use a lot of different things to put your little things in, your pads and tampons, and that way they're concealed and cute, and you can just grab this little pack and go to the bathroom if you need it, and nobody's really gonna know what's in it. But I obviously I have to have these in my purse, but I like to keep them in a cute little case. Next is a pin, probably another thing that most people carry in their purse, but I always need a pin, so I carry a pin. The next thing is a deodorant, and this one is a little bit bigger size. They do have like sample sizes that are really cute and small that I should probably keep in there, but I'm excited about their new summer scents. This is the Native deodorant. If you don't know what that is, it's paraben and aluminum free deodorant, and they come in a bunch of different fun scents, which is one reason that I really love them, because they are a more healthy option, but they also are really fun, and they always are coming out with new scents, and they have seasonal scents, so they have like Christmas and fall and summer. This is one of their summer scents. It's the lime and coconut. It smells so good. And then they also have the strawberry and rhubarb and the gardenia and orchid, and I've been wearing the strawberry and it smells so good. I love that one, but this one I'll keep in my purse, and it smells so summery and good. I love it. If you haven't tried this, I highly recommend trying it. I've been using Native for a year and a half now. I completely threw out all my other deodorants, and this is all I use. And again, it has a ton of fun scents, so it never gets boring. I've not had any issues with it. It works really well for me, and I feel really good about using something that's healthier. So they also have men's scents, so if you have teenage boys or your husband maybe wants to try it, they have scents for men as well, and they also have just unscented if that's something you're interested in. But if you're like me and you like fun scents, then I would definitely go on their website and look around and see what they have. These, like I said, are the new summer scents that they just came out with, and they did give me a 10% off code if you guys want to try it out, so I'll have that linked in the description box. Okay, so this is kind of funny, and I'll probably get made fun of for this, but I always keep some sort of candy in my purse for me and for my kids. I keep usually Starburst in my purse because I don't know what it is, but sometimes I just need something sweet. And I love Starburst, so I have the tropical scent, I have the tropical flavor in here actually, but I like to keep a few of them in my bag. It never fails. I'm like sitting in the doctor's office waiting or something, and I'm hungry and I just want something to snack on. And when I did get my purse and I have a Starburst in there, it just makes my whole day. I know I'm a nerd, but I always keep some sort of like candy in there for me. And then I keep the Dum Dum suckers in there for Kinsley because she is my 3-year-old. And these things, I'm telling you, they are a lifesaver. You can buy a huge bag of Dum Dums, and I just keep my purse stocked with them. And they have saved me so many times from temper tantrums and things like that. I use them for bribery and I have no shame. I do not care. If she's in the car and we're stuck in traffic and she's getting bored, I throw a sucker back there and she's good to go. They're waiting in the doctor's office, waiting in line anywhere, in the grocery store, anywhere we are, these things have became in handy so many times, so I always keep some suckers in there, and I just have them in the little snack size sandwich baggie. Okay, so this is something that I always keep in my purse, and I have changed out my little pouch a few times, but this is the one I've had in there for quite some time. I can't even remember where I got this. I probably got it at Target, but you can find these little pouches at Walmart, Target, pretty much anywhere, and I'm going to show you what I keep in them. What's in my bags, I'm not sure I ever actually went through what I keep in here, so I'm going to go through what I keep in here as quickly as possible. So I do keep a lotion, and I actually need to refill. This one is really old and there's barely anything left in there, but sometimes when I'm out and about, my hands are really dry and I just need some lotion. So I like to keep lotion in there, and obviously I don't want a big bottle, so I have that little like travel size. And then I always keep a powder in there. I can't tell you how many times powder has come in handy for me. If we're out and I somehow maybe smudge my makeup, or it's been a long day and I want to touch up, I can just put a little bit of powder on, and I like to grab one that's a little more full coverage just so that it actually does something. But I like how they have, I like the compacts, I should say, that have the mirror and then the little puff in there, so it's all in one. You don't need anything else. And I do really like this Flower Light Illusion Perfecting Powder. I think I got it at Walmart. I do really like this powder, but this is the one that I keep in there, and I have used this so many times. Of course, I keep a brush because I have hair, obviously, and my daughters both have hair, and we use this all the time. I can hand it to my daughter and tell her to brush her hair really quick before we go in somewhere, or I can just touch up mine. This is the wet brush. I think I got this at Ulta, but they have really cute little brushes you can fold up to, I don't know, probably get those on Amazon or something, but I just got this at Ulta, and it's the perfect size. It fits right in here, and so I always have a brush. And then I have, this isn't necessarily an essential, I just think I had an extra one of these and it's got something on it, I don't even know, but this is the Puff Me hair powder, and it's in there, and I mean, I'll probably just keep it in there because it's a nice little touch up if you needed to touch up your hair, but again, it's not really a necessity. Okay, I always keep, and I'm running low on these, but I always keep hair ties. I had bought one of these packs and just put the whole pack in there, and as you can see, we have used them so many times. My daughter has really long hair, and I don't really have long hair, but I wear my hair up a lot, and then my youngest has long hair as well, and it never fails. We're out, it's hot, or it's been a long day, and we just want to get our hair out of our face or off of our shoulders and neck, and so I always have a hair tie. And in fact, one reason I'm running pretty low on these is because a lot of times I have girlfriends that are like, oh, I wish I had a hair tie, and I'm like, I got you, girl, I got you. So I only have 2 left, but I highly recommend, if you have long hair or daughters, to keep some hair ties in your bag. If you hear anything, my window is back here and my kids are out there playing in the water and they're running around screaming, so. Okay, so I always keep some pain medication in there. This is Advil. I like the little ones you can get at the checkout that have, like this one had 10 tablets in it because they're really small and they fit great in your purse. I actually carry these more so for my husband because he gets migraines frequently. So I like to carry this for him because if we're out and about, I can just give him Advil. But I have used this for myself as well. But I highly recommend, as a mom, to carry some sort of pain medication, whether it be Tylenol or something in there for not only you but your family members. It could really be a lifesaver when you're out for a long day and somebody gets a headache. Okay, so another really weird thing that I carry in my purse that has come in handy so many times is nail clippers. I don't know where I got these nail clippers. I use these not to cut my nails, but to cut off tags. So when we go shopping, sometimes we may be out and grab a new pair of shoes for whatever reason, and the tags to get off of those things are really hard, so I just use my nail clippers and clip them off. Or if we bought new clothes, or I don't know, there's lots of things, toys that I've gotten the kids and they want to play in the back seat with the toy, I can just cut the tags off with this. So that is what I use these for, basically scissors, but it's a little bit safer to keep these in your purse than actual scissors. Basically what I have left in my bag, and I won't go through each thing, is some makeup items. I have, like, this is pretty much empty. It's a little Victoria's Secret vanilla lace perfume spray thing, and it's actually a spray, not a rollerball. I really like these. I think you can get them online. I don't know if you can get them in store, but I like having this just because you never know when you might want to freshen up. And then I have like an eyeliner and some lip gloss, but those are just basic things. So that's everything that I keep in this little pouch. And speaking of wipes, I always keep one of these little, this one just so happens to be Cottonelle. I can't remember the one before it I had. Might have been a different brand, but I actually got this free. It was like a free sample. But it's just flushable wipes, and I like to keep these in my bag for obvious reasons, to have for myself or the girls if need be, but I just like to keep a little, just a little like sample size or travel size bag of flushable wipes. And then obviously I think everybody keeps gum in their purse, but I always have gum. And then also I like to keep dental floss in my purse because whenever we go out to eat or I eat anything, I don't know why too, it seems like lately more so than ever in my past, I've been getting stuff stuck in my teeth. And so afterwards I like to have floss in my purse if need be to get it out. So you get these little tiny I don't know, I wouldn't say they're travel size, but you get these little tiny ones from the dentist when you go for your cleaning, and they give you the little bag with all your little goodies. You, or at least I and my kids, usually get a little tiny dental floss, so that is perfect for keeping in your purse, and it comes in handy. And then I like to keep a little hand sanitizer. These are from Bath & Body Works. This one is in Sparkling Mint Blossom. I love their hand sanitizers. They smell so good, and their little packaging is adorable, but I use this all the time for my kids and myself. Whenever we go into like a public restroom and it's just so disgusting, sometimes I don't even want to touch the sink because the sink is disgusting and I don't feel like my hands would be clean. So I have this, but there's lots of occasions when we have used this if we've been out and we've pet maybe somebody's dog, or I can't think of all the instances, but we use this all the time and it smells really good. So that's always a perk. But you can get these at Bath and Body Works, and they almost always have a sale where you can get like 5 for something or 4 for something. So I try to keep stocked up on these. Alright guys, that is everything as far as my essentials that I keep in my bag. Like I said, that might be like a lot of things for some of you and think it's like overkill, but for me, I have always carried this stuff in my purse, and like I said, it has come in handy so many times, so I will probably always carry that stuff in my purse, especially when I have little kids, because I just always want to be prepared, and I don't carry a diaper bag anymore, so I just like to have those things. So let me know in the comments below what weird or emergency item that you might keep in your purse that maybe I don't have, and I would love to know. So yeah, let me know in the comments anything that you keep in your purse, and definitely don't forget to check the description box to get a coupon code for that deodorant. And if you are interested in the Teddy Blake bags, look down there as well. I'll have the link to this style, and I will also have a link just to their website so you can browse all of their bags. They do have sales all the time, so if you're a bag girl like me, I definitely think it's worth checking out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you next time. Bye!
Pick up the pieces and start again. Don't give up, we're holding on. For what it's worth, I'll try to change. We can't fix our broken hearts. Loving me is not so goddamn easy as I thought.